when in contact with water and hears a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now, bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. In the event of a landing on water, slide rafts are located at all exits except exit B. Except exit B. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety car. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Thank you for your attention.
அனுப்பிச்சு வெளில சரி ஊருக்கு போகிறேன்னு டிக்கெட் கொடுத்துட்டு இது பண்ணிவிட்டு கடைசியாக கொஞ்சம் கொண்டாந்து விடுற மாதிரி